Hi, hello, my name is white-baos. I'm a Spanish lawyer at white-baos. Today we would like to answer some questions that generally we are asked by people affected by a mortgage foreclosure. So we hope that this is of help for you and that will clarify some doubts that you may have about this subject.
How can I know if I'm affected by a mortgage floor clause?
Okay, you can know if you're affected by mortgage foreclosure normally checking your mortgage deed. Okay, it should appear there a clause that limits the variability of the interest. So, for example, even if the Euribors drop, okay, you will always pay minimum 3.5, 4% or whatever the floor agreed is. So you will detect that checking your mortgage deed. Also checking the receipts of your monthly payments. You have been paying more or less the same figure for the last year, probably you are affected by a mortgage foreclosure because the interest rate like Euribor, IRPAs has dropped color in the last years. Other possibility that you have is just to send to us a copy of your mortgage deed and copy of the last receipts of your mortgage, your monthly payments, and we will check and confirm that to you by email.
Can I claim even if I've paid my mortgage off?
Yes, even if you pay off your mortgage, you can claim for being affected by a mortgage foreclosure. So it's irrelevant if you still have your mortgage in place or not. Everyone affected by a mortgage foreclosure can claim against the bank for the repair money.
What am I entitled to claim for?
Okay. In a claim for a mortgage foreclosure, you could claim for the overpaid interest, the interest on those overpaid interests, and legal costs. Also, you can use that claim to ask for the cost of the setting up of the mortgage, like notary, land registry fees, etc.
How should I proceed?
We recommend people to, first of all, send a formal request to the bank as per the Royal Decree Law 1/2017, and then once they have the offer, if the bank makes an offer, back from the bank, then always check with a lawyer or with an expert on this if the offer made by the bank is correct, because in many cases we have seen that the banks are offering a lower amounts than what the consumer are really entitled to. Also, some banks, they offer, rather than the money back, that they should pay the money, they offer a reduction on the interest. So people need to be careful with that. It's not only to receive an offer from the bank, it's also really important to make sure that that offer is correct.
If my bank contacts me personally, should I accept the offer?
As I said before I accept the offer, you need to make sure that what the bank is offering you is fair and is correctly calculated. So our advice is to make a proper calculation with your lawyer or with the person that is helping you with this matter, and check if what the bank is offering you is correct and properly calculated. If that is the case, our advice is to accept the offer. If not, our advice is to claim for what you're entitled to. If any of you are affected by a mortgage foreclosure, if you have any question, if you need help, please contact us. We are experts and we will be able to help you. You can find our details at the end of this video. Thank you for listening.